Well, I'm here to present the Clinical Excellence Award, and this year's Clinical Excellence means that our students who are participating out in the clinical environment actually show what we say is intentional presence. That means being closely involved in what is happening with their patients and the family. This student specifically received accolades from the Meritus Medical Center and the intensive care unit. She, during her last semester in the intensive care unit, witnessed a code, and if you do not know what a code is, the death of a patient. It was an unexpected death, and the family became extremely inconsolable during this event. This student witnessed this, but she did one step further. She provided care and emotional support and stability to the patient's loved ones during that time. This to me represents the highest honor that you can give to a student for the care that they have given during the time that they are a student. And this year's recipient was also commended by the intensive care unit staff for her dedication to being a great nurse and future nurse. This student is Brittany Carr.
Okay.
Good evening. It is my distinct honor to present the award for the Director's Award for Scholarship. This student I met in OB for the first time. Very quiet student, kind of sat up front, but not really up front. Chaos around her. She's just calm, looking around, kind of smiling, like, yeah, I got this. I don't know what's going on. Like, why is everybody worked up? Then I had the privilege of teaching her again in nursing research. She has spent time working in service excellence and learning about that as working at Dairy Queen in Ranson. So if you've ever been there, had something, she probably assisted you. She's a Sigma Theta Tau International Honor Society member. We conducted her inaugural ceremony, and she's a McMurrin Scholar. With a GPA of 3.97, I'd like to give this award to Lillian Romano. See, even now she's got that little smile.
Okay, now what we have all come here to see, the penning of our graduates. Our herald for the penning